Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for English class. First, engage with your texts actively. Don't just read, highlight important passages, jot down questions, and make connections in the margins. Understanding literary devices like metaphors and symbolism will deepen your comprehension. After reading, summarize each chapter or section in your own words to solidify your understanding. This active approach makes learning more effective and memorable. Next, focus on mastering essay writing. Practice crafting clear, concise essays that present strong, well-supported arguments. Learn to analyze literary works for their underlying themes, character development, and plot structures. A crucial step is developing a strong, focused thesis statement for every essay, as this guides your entire argument. Consistent practice will significantly improve your writing skills. To excel, boost your vocabulary and grammar. Make it a habit to learn 5 to 10 new words daily, integrating them into your writing and speaking. Regularly review grammar rules, paying special attention to common errors like subject-verb agreement or comma splices. Practice constructing varied sentence structures and using correct punctuation to ensure your writing is always clear and impactful. Finally, effective revision is key. Regularly review your notes and past assignments, focusing on areas where you need improvement. Don't hesitate to utilize online resources, study guides, and even peer study groups for extra support and different perspectives. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.